Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Norad and I'm here with another number boot camp. All right, look inside the circle map. What number do you see? 8. Very good. All right, we have number 8. All right, what number? 8. What number? 8. What number? 8. How do I write 8? Well, we'll try in a minute. We make like a circle for the letter S. Can you see that? For some reason it's not showing up. Let's try again. Let me try down here. Some reason it's not letting me touch it. All right, make this a circle like you're making the letter S for 8, and then I come back up and lock the gate. All right, for number 8. All right, so we are going to look at all the things that have 8 and see if it belongs in our circle or not. So we're going to look and see if it belongs in our circle. So let's start right here with this number word, E-I-G-H-T. That says 8. So should it go in our circle? Yes, that was an easy one. So I started with an easy one. Yes, it says 8, so it needs to go in our circle. All right, let's get these red and yellow dots. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see. All right, let's count them. Start with the red. Touch and count as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, that one has 9. Do we want it? No. So I'm going to put it at the bottom because, whoop, I'm going to put it at the bottom because we don't want that one. That's too many. 9 is too many. All right, this number word says N-I-N-E. 9. 9. Do we want that one? Nope, it doesn't say 8. All right, let's try these dots here, these red and yellow dots. All right, I'm going to make it bigger. We're going to touch and count with me. Touch and start with the red one. Count with me. Touch your screen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 4 red and 4 yellow to give me 8. Do I want that one? Yes, I want all the ways to show 8. So that's 4 on the top with red and 4 yellow. 4 and 4 make 8. Let me see what I have in my hands here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I have a whole hand, which is 5, and then 3 more on the other hand. Show me that on yours. Make 5 on one hand by holding up one whole entire hand, and then do 3 on the other. All right, let's count the fingers. We know that this is 5, so I'm just going to count on. So I'm going to touch this hand and say 5, 6, 7, 8. So what that looks like is I know all of this right here is 5, 6, 7, 8. So do I want that one? I do. So 5 and 3 make 8. So I do want that one. So I'm going to move it into our circle map. All right, let's check this domino here. All right, I can already tell I have 1 on the bottom. So, excuse me, 1 on the top. So now I'm going to count the rest. I know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, do I want that? I do. That makes 8. I've got 1 on the top. This orange one, 1 on the top and 7 on the bottom. And 1 and 7 make 8. So I do want that one. All right, so I'm going to put that domino in our chart. All right, let's check this domino. I've got 6 on the top, 6 on the top, and 3 on the bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I want that one? No, because 6 and 3 makes 9. That's too many, so I'm going to put it at the bottom. We don't want that one. All right, let me check my tally marks. I'm going to make it a little bigger so I can see it. Oh, do you remember what it means, boys and girls? When I have a group that has a diagonal line, look right here. I already have a group with a diagonal line. Do you remember how many I told you that is? That's already 5. So I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 and 3, if I were to add 5 plus 3, that would equal 8. So do I want it? Yes, I do. 5 tally marks plus 3 more. It looks just like the pair of hands we saw. 5 and 3 more. Good job on remembering the tally mark when it has a diagonal line like this right here. That means it's 5. I don't even have to count it because that means I already have 5. Good job. All right, I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. Move it back into our circle here because I do want it because it shows 8. All right, let's try our stars. All right, the best way is to touch and count. I'm going to make it big. All right, I want you to touch and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Do I want those stars? No, it's too many. 9 is too many, so I'm going to put it down at the bottom. I don't want that one. All right, let's try these hands here. I have a whole hand, so I have 5, and then I have 4 on the other hand. So I already know this is 5, so I don't need to count it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you think? Do we want it? No, because that's 9. That's too many. We only want 8. What number? 8. What number? 8. What number? 8. All right, we only want 8. All right, let's look at this one. I already have tally marks in my circle. So my guess is going to be we probably don't want it, but let's make sure. How many do I have right here that I'm circling green? Because you see this diagonal line? You already have 5, right? So let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that one has 9. Do we want it? No, we don't. It already has 9. We only want 8. And we already have a tally mark in our circle. So that was a good guess to say we don't need it. So let's move it down here. All right, do we have any stars yet in our circle map for 8? We do not. So let's see if this one is 8. You touch and count. Touch and count it. I'm going to cross it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you think? Should we put it in there? Yes, we should. All right, it has 8. I only want 8. All right, so let's put that in there. That's another way to show 8. All right, I have the number word here, or the ordinal number word, 8th. 8th. If you are 8th in line, that's like saying you're number 8 in line. So do I want that one? Yes, I do. So I'm going to put it on my circle chart. All right, this next one says 9th. 9th. What does that sound like? That sounds like 9. If you're 9th in line, you're number 9 in line. So do we want that one? No. All right, so I need to look at my 10 frames. 10 frames is a counting strategy. If I have 10 frames or 10 squares and they're all filled up, I have 10. But I only want 8. So which one do you think has 8? The top one? Does this one have 8? Or does the bottom one have 8? What do you think? Top or bottom? Well, let's check. If I had another circle here, it would be full, right? My 10 frame would be full. And since it's called a 10 frame, I know that it holds 10. And I know that since I'm missing one, that's 9, because 9 is one less than 10. You could count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom. That's 9. I do not want that for my 10 frame. So I'm going to make it smaller and move it to the bottom. Let's check and see if the one we have left has 8. All right, let's check. I see 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom. And I see 5 and 3 over here. And I see 5 and 3 over here. So I'm thinking it probably does make 8, but I want to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It does. I have 5 on the top, 3 on the bottom. That gives me 8, just like my hands and just like my tally marks over here had 5 and 3. You could also see it a different way. You could have seen it as I have 6 on the left and 2 on the right. 6 and 2 make 8. So we know that it does make 8. So I'm going to move it into my into my circle chart because the 10 frame does hold 8. So let's look at all the ways to make 8. Let me clear these out here. All right, so the first way is the number word 8. All right, so I'm going to highlight it. That says 8. What does that say, everybody? That says 8. My dots here that are the red and yellow, I have 4 red plus 4 yellow. And that gives me 8. Sorry guys, it's not letting me write on here for some reason. I have to do it with the mouse. Alright, I have 5 and 3 fingers. 5 fingers plus 3 fingers. We just did the 10 frame. It could be 5 on the top plus 3 on the bottom. Or it could be 6. Or you could have seen it as 6 on the side, on the left, plus 2 on the right. Okay, over here I have 8th for 8th place. Here, the first thing I saw was a group of 6, and then that left me with 2 left over. So I saw it as 6 plus 2 to give me 8. Up here, the tally marks, I saw it as 5 and 3 again. 5 plus 3. Ooh, it's hard to write with the mouse. And then my last one, right here, I saw it as, I'm going to move it over here for you to see, 1 on the top plus 7 on the bottom gives me 8. So great job. You found all the ways to make 8. Kiss your brain. We did it as 6 and 2, 5 and 3, 1 and 7. We found the number word 8. We found the ordinal number word 8th. You are so smart. You did a great job. So last time, what number? 8. What number? 8. What number? 8. How do I write 8? Well, we make an S, and then we close up the gate. Bye, bye, boys and girls. You did an awesome job.